Hello and welcome to my first YouTube video of Aesthetics. Today I am going to tell you about some auto aesthetic filters Android applications which you can use for editing your personal pictures or sceneries or anything else. So let's start. The first Android application which I am going to tell you about is Snow app. This is a camera as well as an editing application for Android. You just have to select the photograph which you want to look aesthetic and go to effects and choose any one of those effects provided. These are known as aesthetic filters. You just need to choose the right one for your right photograph. It depends on each and every photograph how it look attractive. Just choose whichever it suits. Let me choose one of these and I will show you the difference between the first photograph and the edited one in the end. You can also find Snapchat filters here, glitches and all for editing videos. It is not similar to B612 but have better filters. And now see, the photo is saved. Now I will show you the difference between the original photograph and the edited one. So this is the first app, and now I'm going to tell you the second app, which is Prequel. This is also an Android as well as iOS application. Choose the picture which you want to edit and first crop it in the frame whichever you like and adjust it properly. There are so many filters to use in pictures as well as videos. These are normally known as aesthetics filters. The most common are the retro filters, but you can use as per your choice. You can adjust the filters according to your needs. You can just brighten it up or down as per your choice. Some people don't like too much filter, so they can just keep it simple and keep it between 1 to 30, or otherwise you can keep it till 80 to 100. There are lots of filters in this, like dust. In retro there are chroma, leaks and many other glitches and effects which looks really appealing for the viewers. You just need to adjust all these properly. There are also silver, gold, bronze filters provided here. Now I am just saving this photograph and saving it to gallery. And now see the changes, original and edited. So this was the second application which I was telling you, and now the next app which I'm going to tell you about is Soda app. This is very much similar to B612. Yeah. The most common filters are available in this application called Soda. You can add filters to your selfies, to your original photos. There are many kinds of different variations. Mostly here are foodie filters or common named vanilla, milky, and all the soft name filters. I am choosing this Huzi filter. This is the most attractive looking for me. That's why I've just chosen and save it to the gallery and see the difference between the original and edited. Just tell me in comment section, should I create a part 2 of this video or not. So let's go to the fourth application. The name of this application is Foodie. It's similar to those Snow app and Soda app. So here we can see so many different filters. If you want to choose any one of those, you can, but I would personally suggest you to apply those recommended filters. I like those and I'm choosing any one of those and adjusting it for my choice. And now I've saved it, and now see the difference between the original and the edited one. The last but not the least, this application is the best I would recommend, PicsArt. You just have to search for those filters. Just go to the search bar and write aesthetic filters, and you will get many aesthetic filters, photographs already edited. You just need to choose any one of your favorite and click on try and apply it on your photo. Choose the photo and now you can adjust it for your choice. See this curve, you just need to select how do you like to see this photo. You have to adjust it on yourself depending on the photograph, and then click on next and then apply the next steps. These are already made, so you don't have to work hard. You just have to adjust it properly of your choice and apply those filters whichever you like. And now I like this and I'm saving it on my gallery. Today I used only one photograph for all the applications to show you the different levels of editing on different apps. In the next video I will show you with different photograph. Just subscribe to my channel, like it, comment and share it with your friends to show them the new types of editing you have learned today. I will try to perform better in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.